Hi, I'm Dennis, and I'm here to bring you another data science book recommendation. And today's book is a classic, Moneyball by Michael Lewis. If you don't have this book in your library, you already should. Really a great read, and talking about really data science for baseball. And sports analytics has obviously become a big field since this book has come out. My biggest takeaway from the book is Bill James. So Bill James is the man who basically collected the stats and came up with a lot of the formulas that led to the Moneyball era. Most people don't realize that Bill James published his work for many, many years. I believe since the late 70s or early 80s. He didn't have a lot of subscribers. Nobody was really paying attention, but he just kept at it, and he just had conviction in his formulas, in his approaches. So that's something that I really admire, and really just kind of, I think all of us as data scientists can learn from, where you've worked on the numbers, you've worked on the model, and now you got to get the stakeholder buy-in. You got to get their help with validation or whatnot. It pays to have that persistence that Bill James does. So I take a lot of inspiration from that. Eventually he was recognized for his work. He ended up working for the Boston Red Sox up until very recently. But I think having that persistence that you can draw from this book, I think, is really key for all data scientists. So if you'd like more data science leadership content, please click on like and follow below.